Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I found the cutest gift for my husband. This Loyal Look stainless steel engraved with the letters tie clip and cufflinks. This is such a lovely way to be able to give a gift to somebody, especially in a personalized way. I like how it is made out of stainless steel, that you can choose which letter that you want. The tie clip is a sturdy material whenever you go to be able to put it on to hold the tie. The little cufflinks are perfect because they're made in a way whenever they have to go and put it on their shirt that it's easy to do it just with one hand, because that can be a complicated thing, I hear. So if you're just looking for just a really cute individualized way, whether it's for a gift or a mate, this set has been really cute. It even comes in this little box, so it's perfect for gift giving. And that is just my point of view.